Welcome to the connection testing video on the Wojong Markets channel. For this connection testing video, we mainly use the Skydroid H30 remote controller, SIYI ZR10 gimbal camera, and the SIYI N7 flight controller. A total of 4 cables were used: the signal control cable, QW with its box cable, flame 1 cable, and the power cable. The first cable is the signal control cable, which needs to be made according to the wire sequence. The corresponding wire sequence is shown in the picture. Using the GH1.25 model connector, 9-pin interface for connects the ZR10 camera, and the 4-pin interface connects to the network ports of the H30 receiver. Next, this is Telemo 1 cable. It is connected to the output of the H30 receiver and the Telemo 1 port of the flight controller. Then, this is POW with its box cable. One side connects to the S-box with POW ports of the H30 receiver, and the other side splits into 2 wires, which are connected to the RC port and the power supply of the flight controller. The last one is the power cable, which is used to connect the ZR10 camera and the power supply to the camera. Then connects the power to the H30 receiver and the flight controller. Let's look at the remote controller. Open the SIYI FPV in the remote controller. The camera image can already be displayed, and the direction of the gimbal camera can be controlled. Open Q ground control. Enter the video stream of ZR10 camera. And the Q ground control can also display the camera image. Finally, open the ground station of Skydroid. And we also need to enter the video stream of ZR10 camera. The camera image is displayed successfully, indicating a successful connection. So, this connection testing is finished. Thanks for watching. Please follow us to watch more about the testing videos.